Let us start the journey of IIP from 1971.
Indian Institution of Plant Engineers IIPE. IIPE was started in 1971 at Chennai with just 80 members. The Indian Institution of Plant Engineers IIPE, a premier and highly prestigious professional body of plant engineers founded in 1971, as it dedicated to improve the effectiveness, utilization and productivity with quality of plant and machinery in manufacture, distribution, service and other industries. IIPE has grown to healthy plant with around 17,000 members.
Here is the founder president engineer S. Govindarajan, chief engineer Binni Limited BNC Mills. He has also been a founder member of many other institutes. The other founder members are Shri T.S. Krishna, Managing Director TVS, Shri V. Srinivasan, Managing Director WS Industries Limited, Shri Ratnam, Director Lucas TVS Limited, Shri K. Ramesan, Works Engineer Lucas TVS Limited, Shri S. Narayanan, Electrical Engineer Lucas TVS, Shri Sivarama Krishnan, Electrical Engineer English Electric Company. The registration of IIP was done on 2nd June 1971, bearing serial number 103 of 1971. Our founder President S. Govindarajan receiving chief guest His Excellency Governor of Tamil Nadu Shri Kodardas K. Shah in 1972 at Madras. The ceremony inauguration done by Governor Shri K. Shah in presence of National President Shri S. Govindarajan and other VIPs on the dais. Our prestigious audience during the inauguration function and a snap of the cultural program held during the function. Maharashtra chapter was established in 1972 with the first chairman, Engineer G.S. Vaidya and Secretary Engineer G. Narayanan. The other founder members are Mr. M.V. Gupte, Mr. G. Narayan, Mr. V.G. Nambiar, Mr. S.K. Karandikar, Mr. N.K. Srivastava, Mr. A.R. Chitnis, Mr. N. Madhusudan, Mr. R. Subramaniam, Mr. T.R. Venkataramanan, Mr. V.R. Kale, Mr. Raman and Mr. Bakshi. The West Bengal chapter was established in 1972 with the first chairman, Engineer R.P. Pandey and Secretary Mr. S.K. Banerjee. Andhra Pradesh chapter was established in 1972 with the first chairman, Engineer R.K. Mehta. In 1973, Karnataka chapter was established at Bangalore. The first chairman, also a renowned distinguished past chairman, Engineer N. Krishnan and Secretary Dr. Neelappa Reddy. Other founder members, Shri R. K. Baliga, Shri Ravi L. Kirloskar and Shri A. S. Lakshmanan. In 1974, at Trivandrum, Kerala chapter was established with the first chairman as Engineer K. R. Nair. Tamil Nadu chapter was established in 1974. Luminaries of Tamil Nadu chapter are Shri S. Govindarajan, Shri K. Ramesam, Shri V. Srinivasan, Shri S. Ramalingam, Shri Professor R. Natarajan, Shri V. Odimulam, Shri A. Kasturi Rangan, Shri R. Anand, Shri S. Balachandran, Shri R. Murugesan and Shri K. Manavalan. In 1976, Maharashtra, a seminar was held in Nainital, Uttar Pradesh on Advanced Maintenance Management Program. In 1976, Plantex 76 Bangalore International Seminar and Exhibition was held at Hotel East West. In 1977 at Bombay, the Plantex 77 was held on Indigenous Development and Import Substitution. Bombay NSCI Worli International Seminar and Exhibition at Hotel The Taj. In 1978 at Madras International Seminar in collaboration with Howard Finley Institute USA was held at Hotel Connemara, Madras. In 1978 at Trivandrum, an international seminar was held on SF6 gas-filled switchgear. In 1979 at Hyderabad, International Plant Engineering Conference was held and the guest of honor was Chief Guest His Excellency President of India Shri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy and Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Shri Brahmananda Reddy at Ravindra Bharati. Shri M.L.N. Reddy, Chairman of Andhra Pradesh Chapter, receiving the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Shri Brahmananda Reddy. Chief Guest His Excellency President of India Shri Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, His Excellency Governor of Kerala Shri Abraham and Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Shri Brahmananda Reddy during the International Plant Engineering Conference at Hyderabad. Group photo of the delegates during the international conference which was organized at Ravindra Bharati. In 1980 at Cochin, Mr. Paul Pothan, Managing Director IFFCO, and Dr. Rashmi Mayur during the international seminar on Plant Engineer and Energy Crisis. Delhi chapter was established in 1980, the first chairman as Lieutenant General S.S. Apte and Secretary Brigadier Mr. Ramesh Chandar. The other founder members late Mr. C.K. Varugis and late Mr. N.P. Gupta. In 1980 at Bombay, a seminar was held at Hotel The Taj on Reconditioning and Repair Techniques Research and Development Center, also known as RECORD. In 1983 at Bombay, a seminar was held on compressed air at Hotel The Taj. In 1983 at Bangalore, International Plant Engineering Conference was held at Hotel Ashok on Maintenance Strategies by 2000 AD. An International Plant Engineers Conference held at Hotel The Taj in 1984 at Bombay. Seminar held by Tamil Nadu chapter on 28 September 1985 on Computer Application in Industry. During the Plantex 86 exhibition at New Delhi on 15th February 1986, Shri Vasant Sathe, Honorable Union Minister for Petroleum and Defence, visiting the conference exhibition. In 1986, at Delhi, Conference on National Growth through Excellence in Plant Management. In 1987 at Madras, during the 15th National Convention, a seminar was held on maintenance management for higher productivity. In the dais are Union Minister of State for Industries, Shri M. Arunachalam, and Tamil Nadu Minister for Electricity, Shri V. V. Swaminathan. We were honored with the chief guest, Ms. Ken Lee, Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of Enron USA during MCON 88, an international conference on energy management and conservation in 1988 at Hyderabad. It was a proud moment for IIP to have its own premises for headquarters at JP Towers, Madras in 1988. The same was inaugurated by National President Shri C.K. Varugis. The Trichy chapter was established in 1989. The first chairman, Shri V.K. Gopinath, Executive Director, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Trichy. The first annual general body meeting was held of the Trichy chapter in 1990. In 1991 at Delhi, a national seminar was held at Hotel Maurya Sheraton jointly with MOP and NCES on the topic of energy conservation. In 1992 at Bangalore, a 2 days national seminar cum exhibition was held at Hotel Holiday Inn, sponsored by Kirloskar Electric Company Limited. Board of Studies Division was established in the late 80s at Mumbai National Institute for Training in Industrial Engineering, which was later shifted to Chennai, the first chairman being Dr. Ramani. In 1993, during the annual general body meeting at Madras at Hotel Dasaprakash, on the dais are National President Engineer R. Krishnamurthy and National Secretary Engineer M. G. Poduval and others. During an international convention held at Hotel Park Sheraton on Towards Excellence in Plant Engineering and Management, the chief guest, Honorable Minister of Finance, Tamil Nadu, Shri V.R. Nadunchezian, National President Shri Ramalingam and others. It was a proud moment for IIPE to celebrate its successful 25 years of journey, and during the Silver Jubilee celebration at Chennai on 25th May, a seminar on Advances in Plant Engineering and Management was held with the guest of honor, the founder president Shri S. Govindarajan. The souvenir was released by founder president in presence of other VIPs on the dais during the Silver Jubilee celebration in 1996. In 1997 at Chennai, a national seminar was held on Practices in Rotodynamics by Padma Shri Shri R. M. Vasagam. In 2000 at Mumbai, 2 days national convention on Plant Engineering, Regeneration of Organization for Global Competition was conducted in collaboration with National Institute for Training in Industrial Engineering, Powai, Mumbai. In 2000 at Hyderabad, during the IIP Governing Council meeting, the release of Plant Engineering News by Engineer K. Bhaskar, Colonel S. K. Murthy, Engineer S. Ramalingam, Dr. Raidu at Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh chapter. In 2001 at Delhi, an international seminar was held at Hotel Park Royal on electrical system and reliability. In 2002 at Hyderabad, ISO certificate was awarded to Center of Plant Engineering Services Division. In 2002 at Delhi, a national seminar on Approaches for Zero Breakdown Maintenance in Steel Plants was held jointly with Steel Authority of India (BSP) at Bhilai. a moment captured during the National AGM held at Bangalore in 2003. The 17th Advanced Maintenance Management Program held in 2004 at Bhopal on Plant Asset Management New Trends. In 2004 in Mumbai, a 2-day national workshop was held jointly by IIPE and National Institute for Training in Industrial Engineering. The topic was Recent Advances in Reliability-Centered Plant Maintenance. Chairman Engineer Ashok Bhatia presenting a silver plaque to Padma Vibhushan Shri Anil Kakodkar, Chairman Atomic Energy Commission of India in 2005 at Mumbai. The chief guest Dr. V. Krishnamurthy at Delhi International Seminar on War on Waste held in collaboration with Housing and Development Corporation Limited in 2006 at Delhi. An international seminar cum exhibition held on Power Vision in 2007 at Mumbai. The guest of honor, Mr. R.V. Shahi, Principal Secretary, Government of India. We can see our core team members who were dedicated for the international seminar cum exhibition held in Mumbai. And another proud moment for IIP to have its own premises for Karnataka chapter in 2007 at Bangalore, the office being inaugurated at Malleshwaram. In 2008 at Delhi, a seminar was held on Waste Management in Iron and Steel Industry, which was jointly organized with Steel Authority of India at Rourkela. The chief guest was the Chief Executive Officer, Shri G.S. Prasad. In 2008, during 20th Advanced Maintenance Management Program, which was held at Mussoorie, past national presidents, Lieutenant General Retired S.S. Apte, PVSM, Engineer C.K. Varugis and Engineer Yogendra Prasad. A seminar was held on 5S, the Foundation for Lean, at Hotel Atria, Bangalore in 2009. In 2010 at Mumbai, a seminar was held on Statutory Requirement for the Industry. During the 22nd Advanced Maintenance Management Program at Bhilai Steel Plant on 15th to 18th June 2011, the topic was Business Excellence through Asset Management and Maintenance Assurance System. An IIPA stall at Engineering Technical Exhibition at International Trade Center in 2011 at Chennai. A national seminar in 2011 at Chennai on integration of TPM with lean manufacturing at IITM Research Park. On the dais are Engineer Saluja, Engineer S. Ramalingam, Engineer S. Balachandran, Engineer M.G. Paduval and Engineer N. Prakash. In 2012 at Mumbai, a seminar was held by Maharashtra chapter on Statutory Requirement for the Industry. A workshop was held on Machine Guarding and Hazard Prevention at Hotel JP Cordial, Bangalore on 12th of April 2012. The chief guest was Dr. Ellen Govan, Director, Regional Labour Institute, Chennai. A 2-day seminar was held at Hotel Atria in Feb 2013 at Bangalore. The topic was Power System Protection. In 2013 at Chennai, during the Governing Council meeting and the National Annual General Body meeting On the dais are Mr. Ramesh Babu, Mr. L. Palachandran, Mr. Obula Reddy, Mr. L. Ramalingam, Mr. M. G. Poduval, and Mr. Y. P. Chawla. In 2014 at Delhi, an international seminar was held on enhancing industrial growth through excellence in plant management. During Russia-India Summit in 2015 at Moscow, Mr. Ashok Sethi, Executive Director Tata Power Company Limited and Chairman IIPA Maharashtra Chapter, exchanging agreement in presence of Russian President Mr. Vladimir Putin and Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. In 2015 at Tamil Nadu, two seminars were held, a national seminar on plant automation and integrated safety management at Alumni Center, Anna University, Chennai, and a technical seminar on 3D process plant design and workflow solutions and innovative and cost-effective method in association with Cadmatic Software Solutions Private Limited at ITC Park, Hotel Sheraton and Towers, Chennai. In 2015 at Kolkata, a national seminar was held at Hotel The Park on green manufacturing technologies and practices. In 2016 at Kolkata, the national seminar was held on a spirit of manufacturing excellence at Hotel Ramada. In 2017 at Delhi, a seminar was held on disaster management in industrial plants by Delhi Haryana chapter on 24th and 25th of July, jointly with Messrs PPF at IIC. On 24th and 25th of February 2017, a two-day seminar was held on statutory requirement for industries, which was conducted at the Hotel Peninsula Grand, Mumbai. A national seminar held on Design for Sustainability in 2017 at Hyderabad. In 2018, during the annual General Body meeting at Mumbai, the Maharashtra Chapter Lifetime Achievement Award was awarded to Engineer Kiran Kakotkar, Engineer N.K. Srivastav, Engineer V.K. Nambiar, Engineer P.K.G. Nair, Major Vahal, Engineer Krishna Kumar and Mr. H.R. Mukhi. In 2018 at Chennai, during the National Annual General Body meeting, the new National Office Bearers with National President Dr. B.V.A. Rao at Hotel Ibis, Chennai. In 2019, the Maharashtra chapter had held an internal auditor training for plant engineers on 9th of August. The First Lady Secretary of Maharashtra chapter, Engineer Anita. In 2019, Governing Council meeting and the Annual General Body meeting was held at Mumbai on 16th March 2019 at Sher-e-Punjab Club. The Trichy chapter was revived in 2019 and the Annual General Body meeting was conducted at Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited in July in the presence of National President Engineer R.C. Shekhar and others. In 2019 at Delhi, the seminar was conducted on Strategies and Challenges for Industrial Equipment Management by Delhi Haryana chapter at PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, was the guest of honor. The national seminar was conducted on 22nd and 23rd of August 2019 and it was inaugurated by the Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Mr. Arjun Ram Meghwal. 29th November 2019, an IIP delegation led by National President Engineer R.C. Shekhar at the National Conference held at Delhi on Role of engineering in achieving sustainable development goals. In 2019, Tamil Nadu chapter had held an workshop on best practices on air compressors and centrifugal pumps at IITM RP Chennai. In 2020, Tamil Nadu chapter held a hands-on training program on pumps and applications at Grandforce Pumps India Limited, Chennai.
Now I will read out the names of the president right from the inception of our great institution, Indian Institution of Plant Engineers, 1971. Shri S. Govindarajan, Shri V. Srinivasan, Shri K. Ramesham, Shri R. K. Mehta, Shri R. K. Baliga, Shri J. N. Mehrotra, Shri V. M. Rao, Shri M. L. N. Reddy, Shri K. G. Sheshan, Lieutenant General S. S. Apte, PVSM, Shri N. Guha, Shri C. K. Varghese, Dr. S. Ramani, Shri R. Krishnamurthy, Shri S. Ramalingam, Dr. Thomas Matthew, Shri Yogendra Prasad, Shri Rakesh Nath, Shri S. K. Chaturbedi, Shri Dr. B. V. A. Rao, Shri R. Chandrasekhar. Now I will read out the names of the national secretaries from the year 1971. Shri S. Narayan, Shri N. Shivaramakrishnan, Shri A. V. Krishnan, Shri K. S. V. Raman, Dr. B. V. A. Rao, Shri N. G. Podwal, Dr. R. Natarajan, Shri R. Krishnamurthy, Shri M. K. Baba, Shri Y. Satyanarayana, Dr. V. N. Raidu, Shri P. R. Atreyan, Shri N. G. Saravanan, Shri D. Sundarasekaran.
In 2020, a national webinar committee was formed with representation from all the zones and headquarters in April, which was headed by the national president, Engineer R. Chandrasekhar, National President, Engineer Ashok Zadav, Chairman Maharashtra Chapter, Engineer N. Prakash, Vice Chairman Tamil Nadu Chapter, Engineer J. S. Saluja, Past National Vice President North Zone, Engineer D. Sundarasekaran, National Secretary, Engineer Kausik Das, Secretary West Bengal Chapter, Engineer S. Began, National Treasurer. Till date, 17 webinars have been conducted successfully by this webinar committee. We thank all our institutional members, various sponsors and individuals who have supported us constantly during our journey and converted the IIP into a grand success story. Thank you. Thank you for the 50 glorious years and striding ahead.